Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S-Group daily review video coming at you with video number 53 here. We got our daily earnings a little while ago. I was out, so I just got back home. So checked my account, and look at that, guys, 0.54%. So I made 61.51 on my money today. And yeah, if you guys have been following me along, I'm doing really well. I'm getting close to the $16,000 mark. I have somewhere around $750 or so left. As you see this number here, guys, this is my all-time earnings, so I'm pretty much near 11,400. Just think, when I started doing all these videos, I was at 9,000, guys. So now I'm at 11,400 almost. So I went up about 2,400, guys, in yeah, about 54 videos. So that's pretty good. It's definitely better than having your money in the bank. This type of growth is something that is, yeah, it's unbelievable, guys. This is the graph here. Last few days, it's gone back up here. This here is today. Oh, that was yesterday. This is today. Here we go, 720. Yeah, July 20th, 0.54%. Things are looking real good here, guys. As you see, I have my two investments running for Forex. Both earning, I'm earning 75%, and the company gets 25%. So, you know, they make money on your money. It's a small amount, but I mean, if you look at the banks, guys, these figures would probably be like 99%. This will be 1%, which is what I would get in the banks. Would get 99%, or if that, you know what I'm saying? So we are in the clear here, guys. I'm only 3 days in these new investments. Because, you know, I just last weekend I got some extra cash through it in here, so and I reset the monthly investments on this, guy. So yeah, $58.58 I made on the big investment, and $2.96 today. And this is the monthly here, guys, and yeah, things are looking really beautiful. So if you guys are just checking out S-Group, you know, if you're YouTube searching, looking to get more information on it, they're actually a company, an investment company, where you can invest your money into different areas. For example, like Forex. Go over here, Forex, S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis, SIPO, which is the stock trading, and various stocks, and liquidity mining, which is their token system, guys. You just throw your money in here, for example, with Forex, and you can start at any level. Most people start at these first two levels just to try it out, see how things are going, build up a bit, and then slowly upgrade. I funded until I got to the 5,000 level, which took me about 6 months of funding out of my own pocket. And then I just let it ride on autopilot, guys, and I'm approaching 16,000. It'll be exciting when I get this approaching 17,000. I'm like, man, this is crazy. When I get to 25,000, I believe it is, guys, I will be making, let me just see, I gotta get the calculator up here. Just pulling it up here, guys. So as you see here, once I'm at 16,000, the first month down here, that'll be next month. I'll be making 1,200 US a month. When I get to 20,000 here, guys, I will be earning yeah, $1,500 a month. So, guys, that's roughly about $375, $400 per week that I'll be making once I get to 20,000. Should be sometime around November, December. We're in July right now, so I'm just letting it ride and compound and build. And yeah, things are looking really good, guys. So if you like what you're seeing here, guys, you want to be part of this, I can walk you through everything step by step. Just shoot me an email. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And click on the link in the description, guys. Join my team, sign up, and all you have to do is get your account funded with, you know, a few $100s if you can. That way it'll just start earning on autopilot. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, guys, so you can see my progress and get any updates and changes with the S-Group company. And yeah, it's very exciting, guys. This is going to change my life. In about 6 months, I plan to retire and live off this. So it's about 6 to 8 months from now. so early of next year. So hope you guys enjoy that video review. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.